Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a trick by which you can use the Claude Opus 4.7 model for completely free. So as of now, if you visit Claude website, you will need to pay $17 to actually use the Pro model. If you simply check their pricing right here. But in this video, you need to visit this website Kiro.dev, which is developed by Amazon. It's a AI coding IDE. It also has a CLI version, IDE version, a web version as well. And if you check out their pricing right here, inside the Pro model, which is $40 per month, you get 2000 credits. And I will show you in this video how to use this for completely free. And for this, you first of all create an account right here. And I'm personally using it for past 2 months and I haven't paid any kind of money. So for this trick, you just need a simple credit card. So this is just a requirement for this video. So after you sign up, you go to the settings page right here. If you go to the settings, and for the first time you will be inside the free plan, it gives you 50 credits. Now you need to click on upgrade to Pro Plus. And once you click this button, as soon as you do that, you will be redirected to Stripe. And right here, as you see, you will be charged nothing. It will be completely free for the very first month. And you just need to add your credit card right here. It will not charge you anything. So let me pause the video, add my credit card and come back. So as you can see guys, I have already added my credit card, and once you add your credit card information, you will be redirected to your dashboard area, and this is the most important step you need to do. Again, you need to click on this button, just go to settings, and right here go to, you will see this option manage plan. So as you see that it gives you around 2000 credits. So once you add your credit card information, again you click on this manage plan section, and again once you click this, it will show you the actual plan that you are on. And as you see, Kiro Pro Plus, if you don't do this step, it will charge you $47. This is the most important step. I have already added my credit card information. You will see all the billing information is showing, and click on update subscription. And by default, once you add the credit card, it will be selected to Kiro Pro Plus. So this means that after the first month is over, then this will automatically charge you $40 from your credit card. So now you need to select this one, which is click on this button Kiro free, which will be 0 per month. Just click this, and after doing this step, you will not be charged anything, and you will still be able to use those 2000 credits. So click on continue after doing that, and this is the really nice trick by which you can just add your credit card and use the Claude Opus 4.7 premium model. Click on confirm. After you do this, so now you will see that you will now be selected. So your subscription is scheduled to change at the end of your current billing on June 1st. So you will see that. So in this easy way, if you do want to cancel your subscription at any point of time, you can click this cancel change and it will be cancelled as well. So after you do this step and just refresh, you will see that you will get 2000 credits inside Kiro. Oh, and now inside the session, you will be able to use the, from here you select Claude. All the Claude models, premium models will be selected. So first of all, you need to select the repo. You can connect your GitHub account as well. So once you connected your GitHub account, so right here you can ask any kind of question, you can attach images, you can perform web search as well. From here you can select any of the models that are there. All the premium models are there: Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet. So you can simply say top. So this is a really good trick by which, so you do need to just add a subscription, so sorry, a repo. So I will simply create a repo right here, just a sample repo. So right here you can ask any kind of question right here. So now it will start building out your application right here. It will generate the code and connect your GitHub repo as well. So you can see that we haven't paid anything. It's completely free and unlimited. You just need a credit card to add it inside the billing subscription. Just follow all the steps that I showed you inside this video, and you can simply see. So you can see that your next estimated payment will be 00 on June 1st, 2026. You can see that. So in this easy way, so once it completes, you will get a notification that it's automatically created the application inside you. It will automatically push the changes to GitHub and create a push request. It's automatically running the commands here. So in this easy way, automatically, as you see, you get 2000 premium request and 0.08 used. So it's more than enough, and it's automatically reset on 1st of June. It also has a agent mode as well. So in this easy way, you can use the Claude Opus model. You can even create a API key as well for programmatic access to Kiro. So you can see that it automatically pushed and created the GitHub repo. So automatically you can see that it's automatically created this image to PDF application. So you can see that. So it built out a free application for you. So the possibilities are endless. You will see that credits, estimated credits used, which is 0.89. So this is a trick, guys. You can use by default it use Claude Opus model, but you can switch to Claude Sonnet as well. DeepSeek, all the models are there. Minimax, GLM, Qwen 3. So by default it uses the best model, which is Claude Opus 4.7. So it automatically tells you how much credits it will use. So definitely follow this trick and also like the video and comment on this video if this trick helped for you as well.